So welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to earn on Moonberg Airdrop, how to earn more coin on Moonberg Airdrop. Now let's get started. When I go to our Telegram, go to your Moonberg, click on open, and another way on how you can earn more is by inviting. What you need to do, just click on friends. But click on friends, you can say invite more friends. So what you need to do is just click on your copy link. Once you copy your link, or you can click on share directly. Now you earn 10% passive on each of your friends' points. 10%. Then you and help your friends to increase their boost, and you can spread the message to earn the maximum of more coin. So you can invite more friends, more people through they're gonna join the Moonberg through your link. Then you're able to earn massively. So very simple to earn more on Moonberg. So guys, let's start farming. Okay, so guys, if you want this video a push, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.